And this is the 2V variant. Just think, if this modification is done on the 4V variant, it would be absolute bonkers. Even at 25 kilometers per hour, if you're on 5th gear, you ring the throttle, she will just perform. What more do you need, man? Guys, welcome back to my channel. So we have done up Xpulse over here. You have a free flow exhaust, power bomb installed over here, Husqvarna exhaust. The chain sprocket has been changed, so this is not the stock chain sprocket. Emphasis on initial, no emphasis on top speed. The top speed has decreased. Apart from that, changes on the bike, revised map. So Powertronic has been installed. Everything of the rally kit has been installed over here except for the suspension. I know that is ironic, but that is how it is. You have the knobby tires. You have the tail tidy. I mean, this is done by Javed bhai again. So जावेद जी, मैं एक राउंड मारता हूँ, फिर आप डिटेल में बताइए क्या क्या हुआ है. ठीक है,
ये बॉम्बर सब लगा हुआ है इसमें. चला के देखो आप.
मैं चला कर देखता हूँ.
ये अभी काफी टाइम में सर्विस नहीं हुआ था. सारा गिरेगा. सर्विस बहुत टाइम हो गया ना. आता हुआ.
Okay. The good thing is my feet reach the ground. Oh my god, that is like luxury for me as opposed to my Impulse. Not the best place to test ride, but this is what it is. What the owner has specifically mentioned, top speed is not a priority. Priority, it should take off as fast as a KTM 390. Let's see. I mean, I don't think we'll have place for that, but oh my god, nice. Nice. Oh damn. The way it picks up. Oh my god, I am so pleasantly surprised with this. So what you compensate is approximately 10 kilometers of top speed. Instead of 125, your top speed will be, say, around 112, 115. But what the owner mentioned is, oh my god, there's a lot of traffic. What the owner mentioned is trail rides is his priority, and as well as if you have knobby tires, going above 90, 100 really doesn't make sense because the grip is next to nothing. Yes, you do have ABS at front, but that's about it. Again, I'm pleasantly surprised every time I'm releasing the clutch. It just feels so light. You know what? I think we have an empty stretch of road. Let me see how she performs. The only empty stretch of road you will ever get in Andheri. There's another issue with reference to the change in chain and sprocket. The gear indicator kind of goes for a toss. First, second gear will be indicated. Third gear won't be indicated. Fourth gear will be third gear. Fifth gear will be fourth gear as per the indication over here. That's a small price to pay, but I think it's worth it. These knuckle guards look good. As I mentioned, I just feel comfortable. My legs are reaching down. This is also from the Impulse rally kit option. Use. Perfect. Let's see. The exhaust. Damn, the exhaust sounds good. The entire bike. Yeah, I can see the knobbies don't really grip. But the entire bike just feels so bloody lively. Look at this, man. It just pleads you. Keep push me, push me. Nice. Okay. Again, not my bike. I think I've pushed it enough. And with this limited traffic, unfortunately, this is what I can show. Taking a U-turn, nimble bike, can turn perfectly. Emphasis is on the bottom end and mid end torque. Top end, again, this bike is not meant for top end, and there's really nothing there. So it's just like first, second, third, fourth, as fast as you can. The quick throttle also just a half an inch, you'd turn your wrist and the entire accelerator is engaged. The best part of the Husqvarna exhaust, it's not loud. Look at this. I mean, if I have to ride it, just say it sounds like any other bike. And if I want to be a hooligan, it actually produces the noise that produces the sound that you would want to hear from any enthusiast. And this is the 2V variant. Just think, if this modification is done on the 4V variant, it would be absolute bonkers. So another aspect that I've just got to know through the owner, the Powertronic which has been installed, there is absolute no change in the horsepower air fuel mixture, which obviously the Powertronic is supposed to do. Because what the owner mentioned is you require around 2 to 3 days for tuning it properly, which unfortunately most of us do not have. But what he has done is, if you see the RPM meter, it goes all the way to 11,000 RPM. Now the stock Xpulse, the RPM cuts at 8,000. But with the Powertronic, it goes all the way to 11,000 is what he said. You know what? Let us try this out. Let us see if it how happily does it rev with the Powertronic. Again, if there is place to try it out, I'll try it out, but I think it's worth trying out. Chalo, let's see that. So that means, in short, the potential of the bike to outperform itself is still there. As I mentioned, there's anyways bonkers power. There's even more in store, so that's great. Hopefully I should get to ride this bike when the Powertronic's full potential is used. As of now, let me just emphasize on the RPM. Okay, I'm like 30 meters before this car comes. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this bike scares me as well, man. Okay, let's see how the bike operates from second gear. No, third gear. Okay. Oh, she picks up from third gear, and I mean, the pickup on third gear is amazing. Okay, let's see fourth gear. I'm on fourth, fifth, fourth. Let's see the pickup from fourth gear. Not bad. Not bad at all. The pickup from fourth is also pretty decent. Oh, nice Jeep. Wrangler, Mahindra. Okay, now let's see pickup from fifth gear. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, not bad, not bad. Not bad. Let's see how low can we ride on the fifth gear. I'm not even exaggerating. The engine isn't knocking at 28, 26. Oh wow. Oh wow, it just look at even at 25 kilometers per hour, if you're on fifth gear, you ring the throttle, she will just perform. What more do you need, man? I mean, apart from a double cylinder, 3-cylinder, 4-cylinder bike, that's aside, but for this price bracket, what else do you need? Permission from your wife to buy a third bike, I guess, but that's about it. Second gear also, I mean, if I have a empty enough road, I'm pretty sure I can do a wheelie. I mean, I can do a wheelie on third also, I feel, on this bike. But I would encourage everyone not to do wheelies because it's not safe. Just FYI. तो जावेद जी क्या क्या हुआ है ये बाइक में एज पर योर एक्सप्लेनेशन?
भाई इस बाइक के अंदर है ना, सबसे पहले ये